Kobe, wait. Wait, Kobe. Mommy is coming with something beautiful. Wow!
Robert, wait.
What did you do, mommy? It's a character.
Yes, it's a character.
Okay.
What's the number, Bulinile?
Seven.
Go. Do you like it?
I like a blueberry.
Blueberry you like, I know you like blueberry, yeah.
I like a blueberry.
Kobe like blueberry
Yeah,
too.
he likes blueberry.
He likes blueberry. Vitamin. Wait.
Vitamins.
Yes. Kobe like vitamins. And Robert like vitamins. You are big.
It's the first time Robert ate first, then Kobe.
Yes.
It's the first time. I
Yes,
think.
because
Robert loves fruits more than Kobe.
no blueberry.
Blueberry.
Yes.
So for the first time ever, Robert ate the blueberry faster than Kobe.
Snow is here. Yes. Kobe.
Hi, Pop, eat. Kaki. It's called kaki.
Balloon.
Yeah, moon. You made a moon. What did you do? You made a moon? Panie Robert, subscribe. Okay. An apple, okay.
Cut. Cut.
It's a nose.
Of course, cut.
Give Kobe. Де фарфоїл Kobe. Give to Kobe.
Молодец. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.